Look, ayy, ain't gon' catch the bitch, get on my nerves. Just got a block, almost hit the curb. Most niggas been sitting on me right now. See me in person and won't say a word.
Alright, YouTube. Like I said, when I get in that mode, So I gotta make sure that it work right. You know what I'm saying? So I'm finna go ahead and show y'all what the car looking like right now. I'm finna show y'all where I'm headed at, and I think I'm doing pretty good compared to what the car look like. So I'm finna go ahead and show y'all what I got going. It's early in the morning, as y'all see. The sun ain't up at the top here. It's early in the morning. I think it's 10:30, something like that. So I'm finna go on here. I only been working for like 30 minutes, maybe 30, 40 minutes. So I'm finna go ahead and show y'all where I'm at right now. And we making progress, bro. We making real deal progress. So let me turn the camera around and show y'all where I'm at. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the front. As y'all see, we no longer have the jack stands under it no more. And that's what the plan I was telling y'all I was gonna do. I don't care what y'all say. We just need to get this car back up. You know what I'm saying? Back up and running. Folks gotta make money, go to work. People gotta get their cars back. But as you see, it's moving the whole car. And that's just, I ain't even made the amounts to finish the front. I just need to get this done back here so I can get this car moved. Cause as y'all see, unfortunately, orange stickers on there mean they might get towed soon. So I'm finna go ahead and show y'all the back out in the end. Got a good cut right there, going up there. And then I'm gonna go across. I'm gonna try to pick this up when I take this off. I went up here because this still looked pretty decent. And now I'm thinking I'm just gonna go down here and cut that off. I was trying to see if I could get this fender liner up, but for some reason this fender liner is it's pushed up in there. So hopefully it's not nothing behind this that's holding this on, because so far it's coming off. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish making this cut. I was trying to see what I was gonna do around here. Weirdly, I might go this way and then I was gonna say go down this way and then some type of way make it come down this way, but I might just go ahead and finish cutting it down this line and then try to pry that out. And if not, probably just bond with clothes, cause like I said, we trying to get this out the way, get this done. I'm tired of working on it. Like if I ain't, the first 3 days I work on something, I feel motivated, but then after that, I ain't gonna lie, I get tired of working on stuff. So I'm finna go ahead and finish cutting this side right there, and then I'm gonna, well, I might let y'all see it since I ain't let y'all see nothing else. Oh yeah, and I took the rear bumper off, so I ain't cut it off. I don't know if I'm gonna still be able to use it, but I might have to just take that bumper off. I'm gonna paint the car anyway, so if I can find my mount, I'm gonna set y'all up real quick. I might have to, here it go. Set y'all up real quick, let y'all see a little process since y'all ain't really seen nothing of me working on this. So, oh yeah, and the door was pushed up on there. I couldn't get it off, so I had to cut the door handle, unlock the car, and then pull that blue thing. And then the door finally popped out. So that's where I'm at right now, and finna finish this real quick so I can get this car back moving and we can get back to doing donuts. Alright, y'all, so as y'all just seen, we just cut this quarter panel off. Tried to do it like how they do wide body kits and try to cut this up a little bit higher because I figured that because my car lowered, it's gonna come out just a little bit. So got that cut out. It's not as bad as I would have thought. I mean, well, it's kind of easy. Metal pretty thin, so that saw blade just really just kind of straight through it. I would cut all this out and then just do this whole replacement, but nah, I know it's a fender liner. They go right there. Once I put the quarter panel back on, I'm probably just gonna go on the bottom side with some bundle, let it drop real quick, put that thing back on there and just hide that. So yeah, I had a little rip down there, grinded it off. Look alright, I guess. And now got this whole quarter panel gone, got the door off, and like I said, we moving right along. So what I'm finna do is now, first I'm finna go put me some water in the freezer, but then I'm finna go to that quarter panel, basically just repeat the same thing that I did to this one to that one, because I don't really want to just keep showing y'all the same thing over and over and over and over again. So I'm finna go ahead, cut that quarter panel off, try to get as much of that one off as possible, and then I'm gonna turn the camera back on when I finally get this, when I get that one set up to this one. So that's what it's looking like right now. Alright, YouTube. Like I told y'all, I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I got the corner panel. Once again, like I said, I did it again. So y'all wanna see what it look like? Y'all see I put the dough on there. Y'all can see that part. That part ain't gonna be right, and I don't even really care, but so far, is what it looking like. I'm gonna do a little ghetto bundle job on it. But I mean, as you see, it ain't moving, it's on there. And the only good thing about it is, you see that body line right? Let me see my finger, that body line right there. That's lined up, and that body line on that door is good. So that's really all I wanted, because this part, I can hide that part. I probably can't, I don't know. If I can't, oh well. This part, bundle all that up. Got that right there. I'm probably finna cut this part, I ain't gonna lie. Cause that look like it's gonna be hard for me to, well, I welded it right there, so I might go and cut it right here. And then just patch that up. But yeah though, as y'all see, door close up on it, door gap, oh well. But from this way, we looking all right. Back up for y'all from this part right here. You see how the actual thing line up. I made sure I bolted that up, so that looking good. I was thinking about going ahead and taking a bundle from here and then just probably trying to remake this line. But like I said, at this point, I just want to get this car back rolling so I can get back and forth to work. So I'm gonna put some on the bottom side of that. I was thinking about this piece that I cut out right here. I'm trying to get this part to work. Well, it's trying to do work. Now I gotta try to find it. Wow, there you go. But yeah, because I know that's a big hole, so let me get it for y'all. Well, get it for me because I'm gonna need it. But yeah, this piece right here. Boom. And then I could just probably weld that, grind that back down. Yep. And then now if you look at it, yeah, it sure don't look as bad. Yep, I'm finna go ahead and weld that right now so I don't forget. But yeah, that looking pretty good though if you ask me. Compared to what it looked like, and then I'm gonna try to see how good I am with Bondo and try to patch this up. Like I said, I know I tried to get that crease out, and look what it did to my damn hammer, bro. Broke it. So I'm probably gonna, like I said, I'm probably gonna cut this right here. There's this little angle right here, so this bend to get out. And then yeah, I mean that's pretty much. And I'm probably gonna smooth that out since you can see it, but yeah. Other than that, I mean, I could probably put the wheel back on now. Then I'm gonna put the I'm gonna wait to put the fender liner inside of it. But once I put the fender liner inside of there, like, I ain't gotta worry about water getting inside because the fender liner gonna be there. Then I'm gonna bundle on top of it. And that's gonna be pretty much it. So this car has finally served its last purpose for me. So I'm still thinking about, because as you see on these, because I know I'm gonna go ahead and swap this door since this door got tapped on. Go ahead and swap this door. And like I said, this got a 10 door panel, but I'm kind of looking at the gray one, and I kind of like those, to be honest. I'm still thinking about it, but it's really getting to me. I'm just thinking I'm gonna have to change all this. And if I'm gonna sell this car, I wonder if that's even worth it. So I gotta take the door panels off anyway to put that glass in it, because it got different window tints on it. I don't want to have a blue window tint. But I mean, if you look at it from, like, that's that tint, and then this one got like a bluish tint to it. So that's pretty much it. This is probably gonna be it for this video, so I can go ahead and finish it. But after I get done doing this, I'm gonna turn the camera. I'm gonna show y'all more of the body work, because the body work is more of, because once I made it to this point, I'm pretty sure I'm good. Like, I feel better about it, sort of say. So once I be able to get to the body work, then I'm gonna turn the camera back on for y'all tomorrow. But I just want to go ahead and show y'all what the car looking like right now, and let me know what y'all would have did. You know, I mean, to me personally, since it's my car, I like this. Let me turn the camera around. Hold on. Me personally, because it's my car, I'm happy with this. I mean, it ain't, like I said, this is what the door used to look like. And y'all know what the car used to look like. So to me doing this myself for the first time, trying to do a quarter panel and put this all together, and plus with a flux core welder, I'm happy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm happy. I'm not mad or none of that. I'm just happy that I got the car back. Like, look at that though. Look at the wheel arch to the bumper, all the way down. Look at the body line right there. Yeah, right there. Like, to me, that's good for me, because I ain't never did this. Like, I went to school for just a tad bit for this, but they weren't teaching me nothing that I needed to know. So for me to do this all myself, I'm really proud of myself. So honestly, this car finna be back running. Literally, like, I mean, after I do the body work, I might not paint it tomorrow, but after tomorrow, the car gonna be running. Like, the car run now. But as far as like the wheel hitting and stuff like that in the back, that's pretty much fixed. I'm pretty sure when I put that back on, unless that shock just like shocked, like unless that shock just messed up, I'll take the shock off that one and it's back rolling. I'm finna finish welding these few little pieces up front to hold this up. But like I even said on this part straight. So for me to be doing all this by myself for the first time with a Chicago welder, because I heard that these suck. Like, I heard it's way better welders than that. So for me to be doing all this body work with just this and not having to take it to a body shop or nothing, do it yourself, bro. Trust yourself, believe in yourself, and you can do anything that's possible. I'm telling you, look at me. I just rebuilt the car that was just technically totaled. It's still totaled. Like, yeah, the insurance saw this, they'll still be like it's total. But I mean, like I said, I did it myself, so it's not really too much I can complain about. So thank y'all for watching this video. Let me know what y'all want to see next. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video.
Look, ayy, ain't gon' catch the bitch, get on my nerves. Just got a block, almost hit the curb. Most niggas been sitting on me right now.